In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline without the internet. You might be wondering why you'd ever need to access your emails offline. Imagine you're on a long flight or in a remote area with no internet access, and you need to check an important email or respond right away. Having offline access can be a game changer. To get started, you'll need to make sure you're using the Google Chrome browser. It's the only browser compatible with Gmail's offline feature at the moment. If you don't have it, you can easily download Google Chrome from their official website. Once you're all set with Chrome, open it up and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Now that you are in Gmail, let's dive into setting up the offline feature. At the top right corner of your Gmail, there's a gear icon that's your settings menu. Click on this gear icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to the full settings menu. Once you're in the settings, look for the tab that says Offline. Clicking on it will guide you to the features we want to activate. In the offline settings, you'll see an option that says Enable Offline Mail. Check that box. Once you tick that, a couple of options and settings will open up below it. Let's go over them to make sure you have the best possible setup for your needs. First, you'll see there is an option to choose how many days worth of emails you want to sync for offline use. You can choose from 7, 30, or 90 days of emails. Think about how often you might find yourself without internet and select accordingly. Remember, the more emails you sync, the more space they'll take up on your computer. Next up, consider attachments. If you know you'll need access to the attachments in your emails, make sure to check the option to download attachments for offline access. Lastly, you'll see an option about the security of your offline data. You can choose to keep offline data on your computer or remove it once you log out of your Google account. If you share your device or are concerned about privacy, opt to remove offline data. When you're happy with your settings, click the Save Changes button. Gmail will now start syncing your emails. This might take some time depending on your internet connection and how many emails you're syncing. That's it. Your Gmail is now set up for offline use. Whenever you open Gmail in Chrome without an internet connection, you'll have access to the synced emails and can write replies that will be sent once you're back online. This feature can really save the day, ensuring you stay productive no matter where you are. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Gmail offline.